So this is the Kampala place?
Yeah. A lot of Ugandans live here. They do have their business here.
Okay.
Yeah, in Kampala, this place we call it Kampala because our friends from Uganda, most of them, they're always here. And then you have our doctor here. He always deals the herbals. In case of sickness, a type of sickness, he can treat. And a good doctor.
Yes.
In terms of traditional herbals.
What does the medicine treat?
It treats many diseases. I say I can treat malaria, I can treat typhoid, I can treat amoeba. Recently, I can treat some stomach upsets. I can treat toothache.
Really?
I can treat people who are not even who have got some problems with the stomach. Others who want to get pregnancy and they don't have the fertility does not go well.
Yeah.
I can balance hormonal balancing.
Will you show me some of your medicine?
I will show you.
Yeah, this one?
No problem, I will show you.
Okay.
Okay, these are the medicines. We have got the medicines of different types of colors and the types of plants which are using to create these medicines. Like now, for example, we have got this one. Let me put it here so that you can see properly. One, like this one is moringa.
Oh, I like moringa.
We call it moringa.
Yeah.
Yes, this is the type of moringa. We are using to treat the ulcers and other types of some ulcers and the other acidic in the stomach. We have got an acid and the other problems. There are so many problems in the stomach of a person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one is for fertility?
In fertility. Okay. Now in fertility, we don't use one herb that we mix many. Like now, can use like this one. This one is mwarubaine. We put it here. A type of mwarubaine, and then you mix it with there's another herb we call it munyama. I don't know it in English, but I use my own. Munyama is this one. When we mix like this, now the mixture makes it at least inakuwa na nguvu kidogo. Ninaweza kutoa ile vitu kama tuseme kama kuna fibroids, kuna vitu kama blockages ya fibroids.
They're saying that whenever you mix like that, if you have let's say you have some fluid disturbing inside the stomach, it clears.
Oh.
Yeah, it clears.
This is where we always eat for our food. This is the place where we always eat our food. So they are preparing for lunch. Yeah.
Nice.
This we call it mguu. Mguu ya ng'ombe. No, mguu ya mbuzi na makende. Yeah, testicles. You have these testicles for goat. So
this is what you eat here?
Yeah, it's preparing.
What?
Yeah, it's preparing.
This is a goat's head?
Yeah. So this is a good friend of ours.
Is this delicious?
Yeah, it's delicious. Yeah, this is our papa. It's our goat legs. We'll eat from here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, really?
I love both about this. They were criminals. They had to reform. Yeah. So they only get what they are. You know, they depend on someone coming and buying here.
Yeah.
So that they can carry. Maybe even.
Yeah.
Want to eat. That's the way they survive here.
Yeah.
This place.
Okay.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
Yeah, you see each like this.
Yeah.
One
Yeah.
we carry with 50 shillings.
This one. Can I feed them? Yeah. Oh, look at this one. This one has problem.
Huh?
That one.